Hello everyone, we're back at it again. This is topic number 2. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and talk about the topic, then we're going to do a problem together. This first topic is using the Pythagorean theorem to find missing values in a right triangle, and then find values of sine, cosine, and tangent, which is something we've already done. Just for each and every one of you guys to recall, the Pythagorean theorem is going to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and it only works in right triangles. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at this specific problem. We're only given 2 side lengths, and we have to find the third before we're able to move on. So what angle are we looking at? We're looking at angle D. And then we have to find sine, cosine, and tangent, which we just talked about. So right here, if you guys are looking at it, this side right here, it goes out, and we're going to have a side length of 12. And then this one right here is going by 1, so we're also going to see this at 5. So this is length 5. So we have a side length of 5 and 12. And what we need before we're able to find sine or cosine is we need to find our hypotenuse. We're already given, from angle D, we're given our opposite, we're given our adjacent, and we still need to find our hypotenuse, which is once again across from your right angle. So when we do this, we have to go ahead and plug it directly into the Pythagorean theorem, b squared equals c squared, and we're going to get 12 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared, or 144 plus 25 equals c squared. Or we're going to find that we're going to have 169 equals c squared. Okay. When we do this, we need to get rid of our c squared right here. And the way that we do this is we need to go ahead and write c squared equals 169. And the inverse is going to be taking the square root. We're going to go ahead and take the square root of each side here. And then we're going to find that c is going to be equal to 13. Okay, so when we're talking about our radius length here, this length is going to be 13. Our hypotenuse is going to be 13. So from there, we're able to go through and find sine, cosine, and tangent of angle D. So sine of D, cosine of D, and tangent of D. Okay, and if you guys recall, sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent's going to be opposite over adjacent. And all we have to do is just plug in and reduce if we're able to. So for this first one, we're going to find that we're going to have 5 over 13. The next one, we're going to find that we have 12 over 13, adjacent over hypotenuse. And then we're going to have opposite over adjacent. So we're going to have 5 over 12 for our last one. Okay. You guys are going to have a practice problem down below. Please go ahead and work on that once you're done.